In this video, we're going to show you how to turn on or enable two-step authentication on your Google account. All right, so we are now in our Google account. So go to myaccount.google.com. You can see here, myaccount.google.com, and you're going to be in this home screen right here. And what you want to do is look to your left. There's a menu here. What you need to do is click on security like this. Wait for it to load, and there you go. In security, you're going to see, you need to scroll down a little bit and see how you sign into Google. The very first option is two-step verification. So it says here, two-step verification is off. Just click on that and then click on get started. Wait for it to load. And then we just need to click and sign in with our password for this account. Wait for it to load again. And here, it's going to show the device that you can receive the verification code. So as we can see here, this is our phone, and just click continue. And it's going to be our phone number here. So there are two options to get your code. It's through text message or phone call. The easiest one is text message. So just choose text message, which is the default option, and click send. So now it's sent a text code. And now we just need to wait for the text message to be received in our phone. And we got it. So again, you need your phone here. And we got our code. So it is this one. And then click next. And okay, so turn on two-step verification. So just turn on, click on turn on. And now the two-step verification has been enabled. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing, that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.